Hello, and welcome to another lesson on Advanced Project Management. This lesson on Advanced Project Management Fundamentals will cover project governance principles. Previously, we discussed what governance involves and how to implement effective project governance. This section is dedicated to exploring the fundamental principles that underpin project governance. At its essence, project governance revolves around people, structure, and information. Project governance is an anchor for decision-making within a project, grounded in establishing clear accountabilities and responsibilities. Consequently, it plays a pivotal role in achieving successful project outcomes. A hallmark of good project governance lies in furnishing logical, robust, and repeatable decision-making processes, ensuring the adoption of a structured approach. Project governance is a set of relationships involving key stakeholders such as the project manager, sponsor, owner, and decision-makers. Therefore, by setting a well-defined structure at the project's inception and formulating smart objectives, a conducive environment is established for realizing effective project outcomes and meticulously monitoring project performance. There are three distinct levels of governance within projects. Corporate governance represents the central authority or decision-making body, which may comprise a board of directors or a committee overseeing decision-making. It encapsulates the corporate governance prerequisites that every project must adhere to. Strategic governance provides a broader context elucidating why specific projects are undertaken while others are not. Project governance involves governance structures at individual levels, supporting project delivery. Irrespective of an organization's size, project governance principles are established based on the components of the organization's corporate governance principles. Corporate governance lays down the management requirements governing relationships among stakeholders and key decision-makers within and outside the organization. It furnishes a structure through which an organization formulates, implements, and monitors objectives and strategies. There are 8 primary principles of good governance for organizations: roles and responsibilities, accountability, disclosure, and transparency, risk management and control, decision-making ethics, performance and effectiveness, implementation of strategy. These governance principles can be seamlessly applied to project governance, offering a robust framework for implementing governance across organizations and projects. It is imperative, however, to maintain a distinction between project governance and organizational governance structures. The project structure should be precise, clear, and equipped with mechanisms to support decision-making. Thorough documentation is essential, providing clarity in decision-making processes. Therefore, adopting clear governance principles is poised to facilitate decision-making, reduce time delays, and enhance budgetary efficiency, ensuring that project decisions are straightforward and executed promptly. The success of a project hinges on the establishment of well-defined roles and responsibilities. Assigning roles should encompass clear definitions of accountabilities, responsibilities, and performance criteria. Documenting all individuals involved in the project and considering their interests and influence is essential when defining these roles. Roles and responsibilities can be established using a RACI, responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed, or a roles and responsibilities matrix. Therefore, effective stakeholder management is vital in shaping documents outlining roles and responsibilities. Ensuring a single point of accountability is essential for project success, providing clarity on change approval, leadership processes, and problem-solving responsibilities. The accountable individual or group must possess decision-making authority within the organization, supported by agreed-upon criteria and formal governance arrangements. This principle emphasizes transparent allocation of authority for representing project owners, stakeholders, and other interested parties, reinforcing the importance of articulating roles and responsibilities. The accountable party should comprehend their roles and responsibilities, facilitate stakeholder engagement, establish key performance indicators, and oversee project performance. Transparency in project governance processes offers visibility into project progress, work quality, issues, risks, and changes made. Stakeholders and sponsors gain confidence and understanding of the project management process. Transparency facilitates easy and efficient access to relevant information for project team members, covering budget, schedule, communication, and issue risk management. This principle aligns decision-making and changes with documented roles and responsibilities, ensuring accessibility and accuracy. Risk management and control involve identifying, analyzing, and responding to risks during the project lifecycle. Risks impacting schedule, performance, budget, or scope require detailed planning, including a risk management plan with a clear project scope statement. The plan includes a risk matrix, prioritizing risks, outlining mitigation actions, and establishing review frequency and accountability. Vital for effective project management, transparent decision-making, and change management processes outline team roles, responsibilities, and decision authority. Consistency is crucial in applying the decision-making process to organizational requirements, policies, and procedures. The change management process, flowing from decision-making, defines roles, responsibilities, and authority levels based on criteria like financial value and schedule impact. Early documentation of these criteria reduces complexity, confusion, and conflict, necessitating approvals for each change. Project adherence to ethical considerations and legal rules ensures accountability aligned with legal competence, obligations, and organizational governance requirements. Following the rule of law, projects impartially enforce fair and legal frameworks, promoting equitable and inclusive outcomes. Inclusive practices involve considering all team members' and stakeholders' views and expectations and fostering a culture of shared decision-making opportunities. Setting baselines for project and project team performance, measuring against criteria like scope, budget, or schedule, facilitates reporting to stakeholders and sponsors. Reporting covers escalating and managing risks and issues, promoting efficient and effective project team performance. Continuous improvement and shared project successes, failures, foster trust and collaborative problem-solving, enhancing overall project success. Implementation of project governance, integrated into the project management plan with specific authorization points, involves documented decisions communicated to stakeholders and team members. Components include creating an agreed-upon project business case, authorizing decision-makers within the project plan, identifying similar projects for resource support, and establishing formal agreements for asset management. Evaluation, review, and implementation of improvements support ongoing governance process enhancement, emphasizing learning from mistakes and providing education during the project team development stage. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.